welcome back to Sakung channel. So in today's vlog is nothing much. I just did some hyperlapse makeup inside the car, and yeah, I was just like joyriding. My husband's like dropping by to the stores for his small business, and just here chilling because my leg hurts when I walk. I think I'm having a sciatic nerve pain going on, pero yeah, I'm just chilling here waiting. And basically that's it. So I'll see you guys in the video. Bye. Next up,
got this for $4.80 something cents. Can sell for $25. 100% returns.
No, it's 150. No, 300.
Easy.
I don't know.
I don't care.
I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah.
nataron sa somewhere in El Paso. Right now it's currently 109 degrees, which is super hot when you walk outside. That's why wala ko ni gawas kay ngano basig man na ta ma-overheat. Oh, akong bana ito sa store, just ang tawag din, I don't know. Diri ako sa sakinan kay kapoy with this big belly, and with this weather, no thank you. Sakit pa akong balikawang post on magsigog lakaw guys, mura kog makaanak og sayo. Joke, I'm just kidding, but koan muna siya. Muna na siya. Kani akong makeup sa kuha na siya na akong gibuhat diri sa sakyanan. Well, I'm waiting in the car since it takes a while. So what I did is mag-makeup na lang. So, diba? Oh, parisin sa pearl earrings, arios, and then just braid lang in the hair. And rotag si Koan, si Jasmine from what do you call, just have to Koan, Jasmine from Aladdin, diba? So nga lang siya. I wish I can just put my phone like that. Yeah. So I just did a hyperlapse for making this makeup in the car, and we actually went to the Filipino restaurant. Ipalit mi og adobo, bihon, of course rice with lumpia, and I still have the siopaw here, and I also bought some pastillas. I still have some here. This is really good. Pero pagka mahala, my goodness, it's just so expensive. And we also ordered some ubi shake, which is really good, and some Sprite. I didn't really drink the Sprite because it's so kuan gassy. So akong nang gikuan is, akong gibanatan is the ube shake. Of course, I have this one. It has the ice and water in it. So I like this one because ngano. Wait, how can I put you there? We also have the water. This is really good. I think we can go ask for more water and ice here, because even though under the sun kanang kabugnaw niya mo stay ra gyapon. This is really good for hot and cold water. Para mo kan siya mo stay longer. So this is really perfect, guys, because you can still drink cold water after how many hours it will stay cold. And yeah, I think that's it. Let me show you guys this. My hair is actually long. I've been even thinking, oh my gosh, should I cut my hair? Should I cut my hair by myself? Because I used to cut my hair. I used to color my own hair, cut my own hair. So I'm not sure if I would cut it like short, because I'm like, oh my gosh, once I have that short hair, I'm gonna see those ladies with long hair, and I would tell myself I should have not cut my hair that short, because I'm planning to cut it like short. Pero baga kay kong buhok, so basi bukalkag siya, guys. And then duga na siyang wala na maintain akong buhok. So kani pang akong kuan, natubuan na ang ako ang to gani blonde bleached hair. And then it feels so like smooth right now. Kay kahapon, naligo ko kahapon. Before ko naligo diay kahapon, ay kuan gibutangan ako ni-apply ko olive oil with coconut oil sa akong hair for like I think an hour. And then after nagkuhan ko, naligo ko, shampoo of course para mawala to ng oil, and then conditioner, but no, and then I dried it. It really feels smooth, but it's still tangly, but better than before. Actually makes my scalp feel so healthy. Will I dandruff and bilin? Yes, babe, may dandruff ba? Wala. Cause see, it cleaned up. Before, wala pa ko talagsa naman ko din maligo kay nga, no? I don't know, it's not like that in the Philippines that you're really sweaty and you feel so like sticky that you feel like you really have to shower every day. Pero dito you're so mala and kuan siya. I showered. Well, I took a half bath before I sleep every night. But I don't really wash my hair every day. I don't. I just wash it maybe once or twice a week. Yes. So, dili siya kalas og shampoo, dili siya kalas og conditioner. Yeah, so once or twice a week ra nako siya. And then, ugabuton ko, that I could think, but you should really try the olive oil and coconut oil, mix them together, soak it on your hair. Of course, you have to focus on your scalp and massage, and then put the rest sa tip. Because I know that my hair is so damaged, especially this part. Kaya nga siya ako siyang bleach, but it's still good. Because gakuan po sa akong hair curl, you know, may like sa style. So, ano lang siya. But it's okay. Because like, my black hair, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with my hair because sometimes I feel bored, but with my hair, pero I think I might have it trimmed because these are like so dead the tips of my hair. And then what I'm gonna do next is, I don't know if I'm gonna color it black. I've been like dreaming of having that, not like blonde, metallic blonde, or ash metallic blonde, something like that. I just wanna see, I'm just curious how I look like with the hair, with the different hair colors. So I don't know, if I'm not pregnant, I could have for sure ni ako, nag-color na ako sa akong buhok, nag-dye na ako sa akong buhok, and then for sure ako na po siyang gi-bleach. So I don't know, probably next summer ako na po siyang i-bleach akong hair, and then I'll apply some maybe blue or green or purple, because last year I think, yeah, that was red. So we'll see. It was red, but of course it was just washable, so just turn back to this brassy color. And then, so yeah, it's actually pretty nice. So I guess that's it, guys, for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy watching my hyperlapse makeup thingy. I'm still waiting for him. I don't know if he found something, but yeah, that's it, guys, for today's video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and share, like this video. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye. For you too, don't forget me. Bye-bye. I remember you said sometimes the last, sometimes instead. Oh, nothing compares. It's okay.